Welcome learners to Sarthak Education Channel. This is CDPatel Digital Room for Android sessions. Today we are going to learn working with Boolean, colors and dimension resources. Color is also important in Android Studio. Here I am going to show you what are the uses of color resources. Colors are also helpful to apply color in foreground as well as background as well as text color and so on. Color resources carries the color value. These values are in hexadecimal format. All the colors are defined with RGB value and alpha channel. Here RGB stands for red, green and blue. Each color resource is always defined or written with channel sign. You can use to define that color with any of these formats. Channel sign, then your color from red, color from green and color from blue. Same as you can also use alpha channel and your RGB. Sometimes it may be used with a double letter of R, that is called red, double letter of G, that is called green, and double letter of B, that is also called blue. Same as you can also use alpha channel with red, green and blue. So how we can write these color resources in Android Studio? So as I already mentioned in screen, we have to create a new resource file that's name is color.xml. And we have to write a tag name. So let's understand first syntax. So when you creating color.xml, this resources tag, it automatically appear. So we have to understand only color tag. In color tag, there is a two special things that you have to remember, that is name, that is also called key name, and you have to pass the key name as like color underscore name. And in a hex underscore color format or value, you have to use any four types of method, as I already mentioned in previous screen. So you can use any one of these formats to type any color. So let's see the example also, so you can easily understand. So all the resources tags are defined with resource root tags. Now if you want to set a color resources, please mention the color tag and then name of key using name attribute and the value from any of the format. These format are hash, R, G and B. These formats are hash, double A, R, double G and double B. So this is the format number 4 and this is the format number 1. So you can use any one of them. So let us perform this resource or color resource in Android Studio. So first of all, to access or to create a color resource, we are going to click or right click on values folder, then select new, and there is a value resource file. Just click on it and it will ask about name of files. So I am going to write name of file is colors and press OK button. So it will ask you cannot create because it is already there. So there is no need to create colors.xml file because we have already colors.xml. So double click on it and it is also mentioned with 3 existing examples. As you can see here, this is your tag name, this is your name attribute with key name, and this is your value of hexadecimal format. Now we are going to add new colors also. So right now I am going to add a new color tag, that is color. The name of key is and the value of this key name is, so you can use it. So when you type this color in hexadecimal format, Android Studio also help to provide the sample color view. If you want to change here, you can click on it and it is appear with a small dialog box, and you can make it as you wish. You can change it. Now we are going to also create another one. So when we want to type color resources, we first used color and then key name. Here I am going to use key name like this, and we are going to type fourth number format using, and as you see, your color type will be appear as a sample format. Now your color resources is ready. So what we can do with these colors? So we can access these color resources in .xml file, or we can access that color resources in .java file. Right now we are going to understand first @, that is your resource, color, that is your tag name, and this is your key name. Same as @, that is your resource, color, that is your tag name, and this is your key name. Same as we are going to also access that color resources into Java file. First of all, understand each resources that you are going to insert in resource file, they are automatically added into r.java file. R.java file, that is a special file which provide each resource with unique resource ID, and that ID was written in format of hexadecimal. So you can access that resource using R class file. Let's perform how to access these color resources into another XML file. So we are going to now access these color resources into another XML file. So let us perform how to access that one. Right now I am going to select hello world. After a selection of hello world, we are going to access that resources into. So first of all, you have to select your control name, and then we are going to select here the name of property, that is text color. So make a @, and as you see, your color is available. So here I am going to select color with opaque red, that is our key name, and select it and press enter key. Your color will be directly appear from your color resources, these colors as a sample, that will be applied to your hello world as a text format. If you want to set a background, you can set. So select here as a checkbox, and then we are going to search out our background color, so it may be appear in all attributes. So right now I am going to see where it is available. So let's apply these ones. So if I am going to type @, and then we are going to select another part and make enter, your color will be applied to your checkbox as a background. So this is your new attributes. We can apply background color also. So using this way, we can access our XML resources from color to another XML resources. So keep this syntax in your mind: @, color, and the key name. Now I am going to access your color resources into Java file. So first of all, open your Java file that is by default opened by me in your Android Studio. And the first thing is define variables. So right now I am going to define that variable is in a format of integer. Keep in mind all the color resources are stored in integer data type. So here I am going to type C as a color and name of variable is opaque, and that's already defined by me in resources. So this is your first variable. If I want to declare another variable, you can declare using comma operator. So I am going to copy that variable's name, copy, and with C sign I am going to paste that one. So my two color resources are ready. Now I want to initialize that resources. So to initialize color resources, I am going to access first name of our color resources, that is C opaque underscore red. Then if you want to access that resource folder in Java, we must mention get resources. If you want to access particular colors tag variables, so we are going to access tag color. So these methods will help you to get the color resources. And then if you want to access specific color, so for that we have to use R class file, then your tag name, that is your color, and then your particular key name. So right now I am going to select opaque color, and this is your hexadecimal ID, and make enter key, and at the end press a semicolon. So in Java, Android Studio also provide a sample color or view of your particular resources that you selected from your color.xml file. Same as here I am going to also initialize our translucent color, that is from get resource, and then to access the color we can also use get color and then use r.color. Your translucent color rate and make a semicolon at the end. Now your color is here. To display that color, or if you want to apply that color on your background, you can apply using these resources. But right now I'm not going to show you how to apply background color. Later on we will also see how to apply different color from resources to activity backgrounds. So we are just used a log.e to display our values. Now as a tag I am going to type my color and your color name, that is C opaque. But directly your log.e method never accept integer type. So in between click on it. At the left hand side your balloon or red color balloon will be appear, and just use wrap method and your integer value type will be converted. Same as I am going to type log.e, and as a tag name I am going to type my color, and same as we are also used our translucent, and it is again display with a red signature. So I am going to click on it and select string.value of. Now it is ready. So I am going to apply these buttons and your output will be appear within soon. So wait a minute and it will be display your output. Now your output will be appear, but it may not display color value. Instead of color value, it will display in an integer value, because we already store all the color into integer data type. So your screen is appear. Right now I am going to open my logcat. In a logcat, I am going to open a drop down arrow where I am going to click on edit filter configurations, and where we have to type in a tag name my color. As you can see here, our tag name is my color, and press OK button. Your color will be here. So it is in a format of integer because all the resources, the color resources that you are going to store into integer. So that's why we are not getting the name of color. Instead of, it is converted into hexadecimal to integer. So this is your accessibility of from color resources to XML file and color resources to Java file. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get update on Android sessions. Thank you very much and enjoy the day.